Hello there, YouTube. It is Sunday. It's a beautiful day. I think it's supposed to get to like 76, 78 today. I don't know what it is. I just got it out of the garage, but I've been working on some things with this camera, trying to get it. I don't have the Sena backpack anymore. It went dead, and I don't really want to buy it because I don't want to actually use the silver all the time for the, you know, hardwired, because I don't have my Sena backpack went dead. Anyway, I'm gonna turn over to 60,000 miles probably before I get to the stop sign up here. I thought I'd do it the other day, but I didn't. Let's see when I turn. 59,998. Oh, maybe it'll be a little while. But anyway, I'm working on, I'm going to go find a 3.5 to 2.5 little cord, because on my Sena, there's an auxiliary on the back that you're supposed to be able to plug like MP3s or something in, and I'm going to try and do the 3.5 to 2.5 on the back of that to see if I can get my voice on here using the Sena mic instead of a hardwired mic. So I've been working on that, and I ordered a oh god, that GoPro big ugly ass brick for the you know, so you can hardwire a mic onto that big huge ugly brick. And I was on a chat with GoPro, you know, the other day with the technical support, and just, you know, asking about this Sena stuff, and I told them I filled out the online form, and I'm sure hundreds of other moto vloggers filled out this online form to get the Hero 5 Black and the Hero 6 Black Bluetooth, so it's really truly Bluetooth and not just a stupid little Wi-Fi that connects to your phone. You know, who cares about cell phone with your GoPro? I sure never do. I don't use my cell phone except for, you know, calls, text, and that's it. It's pretty much useless. And I have a smartphone, an iPhone 6S, but God, who wants to put video on that? Well, useless is that for me. So she assured me that the engineers were working on that, because apparently hundreds if not thousands of people complained about that, especially for moto vlogging. But she did assure me that it's being worked on, and there's 60,000 miles just turned over. Holy crap. But anyway, she assured me that they were working on it, so hopefully there'll be a firmware upgrade to the Hero 5 Black and the Hero 6 Black, to where they actually Bluetooth should actually you should be able to pair with your Sena headsets. So I won't hold my breath, just like I'm not holding my breath on Sena releasing the 10C Evo. It's been going on 3 years now that it's been coming soon. So I give up on that. I'm not buying a Sena Evo, especially when it's $400, just like the same price as hell, they even dropped the price on the Hero 6 Black from $400 to $599 to $399. The GoPro was completely overpriced, so they killed their sales by charging so much for them. People weren't buying them, so they lowered the price $100 each one, all of them actually, so that's kind of nice. So I can get another Hero 5 Black for $299 when I bought the other one for $399. Anyway, a lot of things are, I mean, hell, you can't pay $500 for a damn GoPro camera or a Sena 10C Evo. That's just ridiculous. You know, you can't just have them sold to the elite that have a ton of money. Anyway, bye.